all came from the river. It flooded like 3 days ago. They had to have a dozer come down here and push this open. Like, look at that. It's fucking insane. Pretty insane ice. This is Fish Creek in West Virginia, by the way. And I've never seen something flooded with ice. This winter's been something else. February. Like, that river was covered in this ice. This and up there, it's rolled ice, and these certain companies up there, their shit got flooded out too. It was low, but yeah, never seen anything happen like this before. Kind of different. They had to track a dozer all the way up here to push this open.